Today we have with us from the UnitedHealthcare system of Georgia, Dr. Drew Lewis. Give me a And once again, our president from the NAACP for the Georgia Conference, Mr. Gerald Griggs. They'll be signing the documents today, and at the conclusion of the signing of this document, history will be recorded this day. Mr. President. Our national president, President Derek Johnson, has echoed the position of our local president here in Georgia to ensure that every person in the state and across the United States of America is entitled and get access to health care, regardless whether our governments make the provision for expanding Medicaid or doing other things like what?
There's the oldest civil rights organization in this nation, the oldest civil rights organization in this state. We want to provide a pathway to success for Georgia. And I think today is one of those moments where the talking ceases and the action begins. I want to send a message. If the NAACP can help provide health care to all of Georgia, what's your excuse? You can't incarcerate your way out of a mental health crisis. You can't incarcerate your way out of a healthcare crisis. You can't incarcerate your way out of an education crisis. You can fund those systems to work appropriately, or you can trust them to those individuals that do it best, the doctors, the lawyers.
We're verbally trying to flatten the state of Georgia with healthcare system that we provide. Everyone in every underserved community, county is going to be set up with the adequate care that everyone should have. And that's what we're going to be implementing, not just health care, our mental health, and all the wraparound services that go with it. And we're even building infrastructure that will empower our communities to have possible jobs with us or wherever is possible in the healthcare system with our education, our medical education systems that we're building. We're very excited for this partnership, and we are ready to hit the ground running.
And so I'm super excited for the citizens of Chatham County. I'm super excited for the citizens of Fulton County. I'm super excited for the citizens of Carroll and all over the state, because we are in a healthcare crisis. And I hear down at the Gold Dome, no, we can't, we won't expand, we won't do anything but complain. You know, later on this evening, I'll be at Fogo de Chao because law enforcement didn't have the right crisis interveners to deal with a mental health disturbance. And then the city of Atlanta decided to hide the tape for 2 years. And the purpose of the NAACP is to advocate on behalf of the voiceless. I think this is one of those moments where we are advocating on behalf of the voiceless and those that are not being heard.